For my service learning project, I volunteered at the Goodwill of Northern Michigan. Part of my volunteer work, I rescued food for the food rescue. What we did was we took food that they were going to throw away from the local grocery stores, bakeries, and farmers to reduce food waste. And we took this food and we delivered it to the hungry people of the community. We dropped it off at shelters, food pantries, Meals on Wheels. In the past 10 years, Goodwill has rescued over 9 million pounds of food from going to landfill. The Goodwill Inn is also part of my volunteer work. I got to go there, and it's a homeless shelter in Traverse City. They have 120 beds, 11 family rooms. I got to go there and prepare dinner and serve dinner to all the guests at the inn. And most of the dinner service is done by volunteer work. I also volunteered at the Goodwill resale store. I got to price stuff in the back of the warehouse and see how they organize everything. 91 cents of every dollar that Goodwill sells at their stores goes back into their Goodwill programs. Other programs that Goodwill offers is Meals on Wheels, where they deliver hot meals to people who can't get out and get one. They have a Workers on Wheels program that helps low income get a safe, reliable vehicle. And they also have many homeless prevention programs like the Street Outreach Program, Patriot Place, Pete's Place, which house different age groups, and housing support specialists. Social science connections. My service learning helped me see in the community that meeting new people, it made me see the connection between people and social sciences. Economics is a social science that connects to my service learning project because you can see how the economy in the area affects people who need help, because unemployment and homelessness are contributing to the factors of job opportunities in your area. Also, psychology connects between different cultures, social classes, age, races, genders, of those of the people who need help, and how each dealt with their problems, and you can see the differences in the way the human mind works. All the information I presented in this video came from my experiences with Goodwill and Goodwill.org. And even after this class, I will continue to volunteer for the Goodwill. Thank you.